Welcome back to the channel, guys. Click that subscribe button, turn on your notifications. We got some videos in the works. Took the Renegade out, Warrior system, haven't been out there in forever. It left me stranded, it broke down, looked through some things, had to tow it home. Bad deal. So I've been going through it, checking everything out, finding out what's wrong with it. That video's coming in a day or two. Backed that one up with a Commander ride, just a light, easy, go grab some lunch. Had some new co-pilots, first time I'm on the trail. They done a little driving. That video's probably a week out. But while I'm out here looking over the Renegade, trying to figure out what's going on with it, we got it lined out, got it figured out, I believe. Maintenance required lights on the Commander, setting about 1,500 miles. Time for an oil change and everything, so I'm greasing everything up, changed oil in the Commander. But while I'm out here real quick, I wanted to show you guys how to reset the maintenance light. This is a 2021 Can-Am Commander 1000. It's the base model, just got the base dash. These two over here are dummies. It's the small display. So I don't know if it'll work on every Commander, but it does work on the base model with the small display. Pretty much just click your key on, power the machine, do not start it. I'll let it run here for you so you can see maintenance required. Okay, once it flashes, push your bottom left button, cycle it through until you get the settings, press and hold. Maintenance reset, press and hold. It'll say exit. It goes back to RPM. Turn it off. We'll let everything power down. Take a few seconds. That should clear your light and get you back going with no maintenance required. Mine, I actually pressed and held the button. Let off, I had to press and hold it again. So it may take you one or two presses to get her right, but everything's powered down. We'll fire it back up. Sport mode, no maintenance required. We're back to normal dash. That's it for today. Just a quick video how to reset that baby. Be looking out for the Renegade video coming in a day or two. Commander video, editing on it now, fitting it in, probably gonna be a week or so out. But subscribe, like, share. We'll catch you on the next one.